guys, it's your favorite girl Precious for AskIfa.ng, and today I am back with another unboxing and review for Tecno's latest, the Spark 4. Like most of Tecno's devices, the Spark 4 has a sleek feel and fancy look. This particular one I have with me is in the vacation blue color, and I can literally visualize the beautiful sea at a beach overlooking the clear still sky when I think about it. You can also see that it's glittery when you take a closer look. As for the size, it's a tad bit weighty, but you can still wrap your hands around it conveniently. The volume and power keys are on the right, while the double SIM port is on the left. Below, you have the headphone jack, USB port, speaker, and microphone. Time to power up the device. A lot of things are different about this new device. For example, the screen is bigger with a 6.52-inch HD dot notch display and 20:9 screen aspect ratio. I have also found that the notch display can be adapted to suit your preference, which is cool, but I personally like it the way it is. Plus, the bezels are also smaller. It takes a bit of time for the phone to power up, and I can't help but imagine how long it will take when you have big files on it. The fingerprint sensor is still at the back, and it comes with Face Unlock 2.0 alongside PIN and pattern for security, depending on what works for you. The Spark 4 runs on Android 9 Pie operating system and quad-core 2.0. The phone comes with 13MP AI triple rear camera with aperture f1.8 and 8MP bright front camera. I took a couple of pictures and I'm particularly impressed with the way they came out. So